Hello Orange Army, welcome to Ainara Creations Presents post-match analysis of our yesterday's splendid game against our arch rivals Royal Challengers Bangalore. It has been a fantastic performance by the Sunrisers Hyderabad by winning against the Royal Challengers by 6 wickets, by 5 wickets and with 35 balls to spare. You know what we did? We make sure that RCB's run rate falled very low and our run rate reached 0.55. Now, let's talk about the match and then let us talk about what this match has done to the tournament and how we could, without depending on anybody and how we could walk into the playoffs. Let's start with the match. David Warner has won the toss, and I would say that he has assessed the conditions perfectly because he said there would be a lot of dew in the second innings, and although the wicket will slow a bit, I think dew will make life hard for the spinners. And exactly that's what happened. We went in with one force change. Vijay Shankar is unfortunately ruled out of the tournament, and for this game we have got Abhishek Sharma in. There is no replacement yet for Vijay Shankar. Let's see if uh, maybe if anybody is there, they would inform us very soon. Now, with batting, Royal Challengers Bangalore, we bowled very tight lines from the beginning. Both Josh Philippe and David Padikkal struggled to time the ball, and Josh Philippe somewhat looked comfortable, but David Padikkal was not comfortable, and hence Sandeep Sharma, man, the swing king. After Bhuvneshwar Kumar, if there is one, it is Sandeep Sharma for Sunrisers Hyderabad. Swing king for Sunrisers Hyderabad, Sandeep Sharma after Bhuvi. The way he's got the ball to move, not a little, not much, just a little bit, got rid of Devdutt Padikkal and he bowled very tight lines. And second up, it was his favorite batsman to get out, Virat Kohli. For the seventh time, he's done it. Dismissed Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli hits it straight to the covers, and Williamson takes a very good catch. It made me remind of that game, that Warner and Bairstow game which happened in Hyderabad last time. Sandeep Sharma bowled the same delivery. Virat Kohli was out in the same fashion. That time it was also Kane Williams. That was it was also I think it was David Warner who took that catch. This time it is Kane Williamson. So it's just a same repeat of the scene. And after that, AB de Villiers tried to play a bit, but he struggled against Rashid Khan and Josh Philippe looked comfortable. He was looking well, but he played a very rash shot, and Rashid Khan will not give him a chance. Same with AB de Villiers. He's playing well, played a rash shot, got out. And after that, it has not been much. It's been a very slow batting by RCB. They did not. There was a lack of intent from the batsmen, and as a result, because of our very good bowling, and Natarajan bowled very well. 1 for 11 in his 4 overs. Rashid Khan was magnificent again. Sandeep Sharma, the man of the match, 2 for 13 in 4 overs. That was just magnificent bowling by Sunrise Hyderabad once again. Nadeem bowled well. He got the dangerous AB de Villiers out. So it was a very complete power-packed performance from our bowlers. And on to our batting. And with our batting, we were clear that the positive intent. We were in with the positive intent. We are hitting the ball from the ball one. David Warner hit a six of Washington Sundar and got out the next ball. But Manish Pandey walked in, played shots. Wriddhiman Saha played shots. So although there was a little bit of fear in Orange Army fans' minds, keeping in mind what happened in Punjab's game, but it was evident because the pitch is slowing up, the ball is not coming onto the bat nicely, and so you need to attack only pacers, and that's what they did. They attacked Saini, they attacked Siraj, who had very good pace, they attacked Morris, who had very good pace. And Virat Kohli's tactics went a bit haywire, not giving Chuchivendra spin a lot of overs because spin clearly, put the brakes on. But there were a few disturbances when Williamson got out and Saha got out. But I think a big man, Jason Holder, he is definitely a player for watch out for. And we all know how good a player is. But I think for Sunrise Hyderabad, he's become that perfect sandwich for the lower order batsman and the higher order batsman. The way he batted today, 10 balls 26 with three huge unacademy cracking sixes, which just took the game. If there were any hopes in RCB camps, they were shattered by the big Barbadesian. So yeah, it was a very very comprehensive game for us, and obviously the man of the match was Sandeep Sharma for his very good power play bowling, getting rid of they have that particle in form and Virat Kohli. So those big wickets, and yes, rightfully so. Bowlers win new matches. So this is it, Orange Army. Now let's talk about the tournament scenario. We are in a very good position now in fourth position with plus 0.55 run rate with 6 wins from 13 games. If we win our last game against Mumbai Indians, we would definitely qualify at third position because those two teams are gonna qualify at 14 points. One team is gonna qualify already qualified. Mumbai Indians, that is, they'll finish at the top, and one team, either of Delhi or RCB, will finish at second position, and 3, 4, it's a tussle between Sunrise Hyderabad, Kings 11 Punjab, Rajasthan Royals, and yep, these three teams are Kolkata Knight Riders, obviously. Because of this very less run rate, I'm just neglecting them. But even them, maybe because if things go well, if KKR might also come. So let's see what's gonna happen. Hopefully, if we win our last game, we are through. So who is going to qualify for the playoffs is in our hands now. If we win, we'll take somebody with him. If we lose, we'll just sit down and say bye bye. Let's hope we go through the playoffs. Then once we go through the playoffs, now anything can happen. That's what David Warner said. We have done it in 2016. Don't look too far ahead. Just look one game ahead. That's what he said, and that's what we should believe in our minds. One game ahead against the Mumbai Indians, very strong opposition. It would be really good if we win that. With that, thank you Orange Army for tuning in, and please do check out NRS Creations. They have amazing gifts which you could give to your loved ones. Please do contact them because it's a festive season going on, Diwali season. Gift something for Diwali. Yep. Thank you. Stay tuned to Sunrise